Yepa, how are you? After your comments today, I'm going to share with you the tutorial for the song, the Clapping Clap song. If you haven't seen the video yet, the link is in the description box. The song is divided in 3 different patterns and I'm going to present them to you as one game each. If you want the score, you can buy it. I have left all information below. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, if you are not subscribed yet or want to receive notifications of new videos, click the button. It doesn't cost anything and you will help me grow my channel. Thank you so much, and are you ready? Let's go! Before we begin, I will show you the 2 types of sounds we will use clapping. The first sound is the low clap. To make this sound you have to put your hands in this position, and it sounds like this. The second sound is the high clap. So that it sounds like this, you must put your palms in this position, and it sounds like this. We will present the first rhythmic pattern as a game in which we will clap 1 time, then 2 and finally 1, always with a silence between and accentuation with the high clap in this way. We will also present the second pattern as a rhythmic game, but this time we will clap 1, 2, 3 and 4 times and then we will return. Always remember to put a silence between them and accentuate the last clap of each group with the high clap. It sounds like this. In the third pattern, we will use these 3 sounds, and we will divide it into 2 parts. The first one with the triplets like this. Or like that. And the second part with 8 notes starting like this. Or like that. Finally, all the patterns together we will sound like that. And remember, if you like this video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more content.